सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल यूट्यूब टेक्नर्स को नीचे दी हुई लाल बटन सब्सक्राइब को दबाकर और बेल के आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आप हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकें। Friends, once again welcome to our channel YouTube Techners, and today I will tell you how to make money online. So it's a very simple easy trick. So if you want to know the whole trick, first you subscribe our channel YouTube Techners, and for more interesting videos please visit in the description box given there, and you'll find more money making online tricks by my channel which I have posted recently. So without any wasting of time, we start our video. So firstly you have to go to Play Store and download the app which named Squad Run. Here's the app, that thunder logo. Can you see? Okay. Now we go to Play Store, and by going to Play Store we'll search Squad Run. So here you'll have to come. After you see the app, you have to simply download it. I have downloaded, so I have to only open. You download it for making money online. Then you start the app. Firstly, my friends, this app works on Facebook. Means to say that this app needs log in with Facebook. This app needs the signature of YouTube. That means when you will start or open this app, it will show only one option, that will be open or log in with Facebook. Only log in with Facebook. You have to log in with Facebook, and below that there is been given a terms and conditions of this app. If you wanna read it, you can read. And by clicking on login to Facebook, you have to log in with your account. And so my friend, recently I had a bad luck and I have lost my 3 hearts, which is according to the terms and conditions of the game, that allows you and states that if you loses the 3 hearts that is given according to the game to the player then the player will be removed from the game right now itself. So I had a bad luck, as I have stated you as before. So because of my bad luck, means to say bad playing, I have lost my 3 hearts. So I will only explain you how to use this app. Once you will open this app, you will have that I told you, log in with Facebook, and after logging in, this app will give you tasks. You have to perform the tasks, and according to tasks you will get 100 points. When you will log in with Facebook in this app, you will get 500 points, and after that, after performing various and different tasks, you will get 100 points, according to which you can redeem these points to your Paytm wallet. So please subscribe our channel YouTube Techners and like our video if you find no difficulty in understanding it, and comment it by saying us. You can also comment if you have some doubt, you have faced some doubt, to clear it out, to sort it out, you can comment us. And don't forget, my friends, please subscribe our channel YouTube Techners for more interesting videos. Hope we'll meet again in next videos. So stay awake. Bye bye.